Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hello friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair 32-inch Samsung LED TV with the fault sound okay, no picture problem. While checking here we found that the backlight is complaint. So here we are going to replace the entire backlights with new one. So here we already opened the panel frame, there are two backlight strips. So here we are going to replace the entire backlights with new ones. So these are the new backlights, so let's install the new backlights. See friends, now we fixed the new backlights. So let's connect all sockets. Finally, now let's check the backlight is working or not. See friends, backlight is working now. So place all the panel diffuser sheets. See here in diffuser sheets you can notice black smoke markings because of heat generated from the LED backlights. So let's us first clean its surface. See friends, now finally here we fixed the panel, everything back to TV. Now work is done, so let's us turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV started working back to normal. So that's it, hope you like our channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching, have a nice day.